Look at the state of you. Who are you trying to impress? You look ridiculous wearing makeup. You're lucky I love you. No one else would. Red lipstick is a bit much, isn't it? You want people to think that you're up for anything? That's better. I don't want to see it again. Where did you get the money for all this makeup? I told you, I don't like you wearing it. I could always give you smoky eyes for free, you know. Let's get everything off so we can see what you really look like. My God, how many layers? Your face is totally caked in this stuff. Anything to try and hide that ugly face. There. You're lucky I'm with you, you know. I could have done much better. No one in their right mind could want you in the state you're in. No one left to impress now, is there?
It might not feel like it, but there is a way out. Help is available.